Welcome to Optooz Education. In this video, we will see the best software for video editing. So don't get worried about the paid version. And here is a totally completely free application is available for Windows. So I will show you how to install that application and how to use that application. Go to the Google and search for ChipChamp download for Windows 10. So now go to the ChipChamp for Windows. So this is the official application which was launched by Microsoft. So it is defaultly available in the Microsoft Store if you are using Windows machine. So you can directly download it in the Microsoft Store. So I will click on this get it from Microsoft. I will click open Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store is opening. So I have already installed this application. That's why it was showing click on open. So if you are not installed, so here it will show that click on install, something will be displayed here. So click on that button, you can install this application in your system. So this is a completely free application. So there is no watermarks, no paid versions you have to use, and it's enough for editing the video. If you are uploading any videos in the YouTubes or you are maintaining any other thing, so then it's fine. So I will click on open and I will show you. The application is starting. So the Microsoft application, it doesn't contain any virus or it's not a cracked version. There's a no problem, then your system will be in a good health. Okay, so here I have already edited 3 more videos here. So and also I have exported the video, and also I have seen there is a no watermarks on it. And if you want to create a video from scratch, you can click on a video, new video, and you can start creating. And also there is a AI option is available in this application. Using AI, you can create very wonderful videos, and it will be more attractive. And here they have provided some default templates, and on clicking this you can see more and more templates will be available here. And if you are using a YouTube, then on this YouTube, so everything nice, right? So you can use like this. And yeah, so thank you. So if you have any questions, please comment in the comment box, and please do subscribe for Optooz Education. Thank you.